Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope you are enjoying your journey. So this is my video and this is a video on the separation phase. So the pic you are seeing here is clicked by me at my mom's house, and you can clearly see a heart in near the moon. Okay, so I was very happy when I saw this. So I just clicked the pic, and so let's start the video. Uh, the separation phase. What is the separation phase? And actually, I would rather say that the separation period never exists. I don't think there's something like separation in between the twins. So because you both are inseparable, na? So you are one, then there can't be a separation between both of you. But still, if you feel yourself in separation, um, then it means that you are getting some time to work on yourself. Your twin can never go anywhere. He will return, he or she will return. Okay, but use this time. You can rather say just a break. Okay, it's a break in your love journey to work on yourself. So it is a very precious time, and you should do your spiritual work with full intensity. So don't just sit back and wait for your twin, because it's not going to work in any way, it's not going to help you. So you should rather use all this time for your healing and your spiritual work. This time is given to you, this precious time is given to you by universe, divine, so that you can actually get connect with the source or the parampita, because divine always want you to connect with himself. Okay, then only you can get your twin back. So it is the very precious time to connect with the source or with the parampita paramatma. Okay, people just ask me to upload regular readings, but I avoid it because I think when we say that union is coming, your twin is coming, your twin is missing you badly, your twin is craving for you, then we are actually giving you, because these readings are in general. Okay, but all of you want to apply them on your journey. So I think that it could give you a wrong idea about your journey and misguide you. So because you will hear that union is coming and you will stop working, and it will create bad karma for me. Okay, it would be my karma. So I would rather suggest that, so stop watching readings endlessly. If you are just sitting back and waiting and just watching readings, then it's not going to help you in any way. Okay, so you have to, because in this period you have to do a lots of spiritual work, and because only then can you get your twin back, and you and your twin can live together, because you have to do all the healing and all the spiritual work before that. Then you can come into union with your twin. But don't worry, your twin's higher self is always connected with you and guiding you, and you know that. Okay, so because you and your twin always meet in the higher realms, no matter how your twin is behaving in 3D plane. But when you meet your twin's higher self in the astral plane, you can get the messages, actual messages you can get there. You can get the messages and their feelings, their intentions, Everything is there. Then only you can come to know uh, the magic of this divine love. This is the deepest love. It's incomparable. You can't compare it to anybody, it with anything else. If your twin is not behaving properly in 3D plane, uh, you can see or find your twin regretting their behavior and apologizing in the higher realms. Okay, because they inside them they know everything, and their higher self is going to tell you everything about them. So don't worry. No matter how they misbehave, okay, or how they behaving consciously in 3D world, no matter, because in 3D they are going through so many things. They are busy with their things. They have so many responsibilities. They have social pressure. They are working on their money. They find themselves helpless. They find themselves unable to make love or spend time on you. They can't spend time on you in this 3D world because masculine energy is always busy with their material things. Their struggle and stress is endless. If you are seeing your twin that he is enjoying and you are doing all the spiritual work, it's not true. They are also suffering. They are suffering with their things. One side they love you, and the other side they have so many responsibilities. So they got stuck in this type of situation, and because they are very responsible, very mature, very awakened, so they will choose their duties only. In 3D plane they will always choose their duties. Okay, so never worry about their 3D behavior. They always love you. Just because they are choosing their duties, it doesn't mean that they are choosing their karmic. That doesn't mean that you are nothing for them. Their higher self will tell you that uh, you are everything for them. How much they miss you, how much they love you, and how badly they need you in their life. But what but what could be done? Because they are helpless. They find themselves helpless. You can help them with only your spiritual work. You can never help them by calling them regularly or by consoling them or by um interfering in their life or suggesting them. No, you can't help them. You can only help them by your spiritual work, because your spiritual work will give them the whole strength to face all these things in their life. Okay, so you go and help your twin because they love you so much, and this love is divine love. You can't just sit back and wait. Maybe in 3D, in some situations, maybe in 3D they are already committed to someone. Okay, uh, so this could also be a reason for them to run from you, because they are very honest, and it's a good quality. You should be proud of your twin. They are choosing their duties, they are choosing their commitments, they are committed to someone and they are fulfilling their duties, and they are very honest towards them. So it is so you should be proud of yourself and your twin, that you are in such a journey, that you have got such a love to experience in this lifetime. So this could also be a reason for them to run from you. because they never cheat anyone, they never betray anyone, not even you. They will never come in disguise. If they are committed to someone, they will simply tell you everything. And it is, I'm telling you this by my experience. Believe me, they will tell you everything. So what you can do, you this is very simple journey. You do your own healing and concentrate on your physical, mental, emotional and financial transformation, because uh, only this could attract them towards yourself, towards you. This will help you to come near to your twin. If you are doing your healings, if you are doing your work, if you are transforming yourself, only this will speed up your reunion with your twin. Okay, so use all your energy to your in your uplifting. And one more thing, don't go to your twin and tell them always that how much you love them. Just pray to universe, just pray to divine and claim your twin. Because if divine has given you your twin, it means you are here to come into the union. So claim your twin, do your work honestly, and then claim your twin from divine, from universe. Pray to them that now onwards you are committed to your twin only, and you want your twin back in your life. You want reunion and your soul purpose with your twin in this lifetime. Just claim your twin, just claim your soul purpose, and that's it. Only divine can help you in your union with your twin. Okay, so never go here and there and ask people or ask your twin for love and attention. You never need anyone else to love you, to attend you. You yourself is enough. Don't waste your time on discussing these type of things. Okay, so now onwards, go and get back to your journey instead of just sitting back and waiting. And this is the advice for you all, that please don't use the word separation, the word runner for yourself, your journey, your twin, because you are sending wrong vibrations to the universe and it will manifest in your life. So never use these words. You are never in separation, you are one, you are inseparable. This divine love is incomparable. Okay, so respect this love. Never say that you and your twin is in separation, because you are giving wrong vibrations in the universe. You are sending wrong vibrations, wrong affirmation, and this will affect you and your journey. Because uh, what you are sending to your subconscious mind will become your reality. Okay, so it was an advice, please mind it, and thank you so much.